calculations using the commutative law. The commutative law says we can swap the order of numbers and still get the same answer. It works for addition. A plus B equals B plus A. Look at numbers 3 plus 8 equals 8 plus 3, which equals 11. It works for multiplication. A times B equals B times A. 4 times 5 is the same as 5 times 4, which equals 20. It does not work for subtraction or division. Not for subtraction. A minus B does not equal B minus A. Let's try. 9 minus 4 does not equal 4 minus 9. 9 minus 4 is 5 and 4 minus 9 is minus 5. It does not work for division. A divided by B does not equal B divided by A. 10 divided by 5 does not equal 5 divided by 10. 10 divided by 5 equals 2 and 5 divided by 10 is 0.5. They're not equal. Does 32 plus 25 equal 25 plus 32? First, check that we have the same numbers on both sides of the equal sign. We know the commutative law works for addition, so yes, it does equal the same. We don't need to add the numbers, but we could just double check. 32 plus 25 equals 57, and 25 plus 32 also equals 57. It's the same. Does 15 times 4 equal 4 times 15? Check we have the same numbers on both sides of the equal sign. We know the commutative law works for multiplication, so yes, it is the same. We don't need to multiply the numbers, but we can just double check. 15 times 4 equals 60, and 4 times 15 equals 60. It's the same. Even if it looks more complicated, the commutative law will apply. Does 98 plus 41 plus 12 equal 12 plus 41 plus 98? Check we have the same numbers on both sides of the equal sign, and we do. We know the commutative law works for addition, so yes, it is the same. We don't need to add the numbers. Does 27 times 44 times 35 equal 44 times 35 times 27? Check we have the same numbers on both sides of the equal sign. We know the commutative law works for multiplication, so yes, it is the same. We don't need to multiply the numbers. Remember, the commutative law means we can swap the order of numbers and still get the same answer. The commutative law works for addition and multiplication. The commutative law does not work for subtraction or division. Check the numbers are the same on both sides of the equal sign and remember the commutative law. There are 3 laws to remember. The commutative law says A plus B equals B plus A, or A times B equals B times A. We can swap the order of numbers and still get the same answer. There's the associative law. This says A plus B in brackets plus C equals A plus B plus C in brackets, or A times B in brackets times C equals A times B times C in brackets. No matter how we group the numbers, we still get the same answer. And the distributive law. A plus B in brackets times C equals A times C plus B times C, or A minus B in brackets times C equals A times C minus B times C. Multiplying by numbers added together or subtracted is the same as doing each multiplication separately.